What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Speaker of English, your daily English practice partner. Please sit down, make yourself comfortable. This is a place where you listen, practice, and speak English. I'm Daniel. I'm here with my friend, Mia. Hello, Mia.
Hello, Daniel. Hello, everyone. I'm happy we are here again. When Daniel first asked me to join this podcast, I was a little nervous. My English was quiet, but he said, Mia, we will just talk like friends. And that is what we do. I am still learning with you. So today I am here feeling happy and calm to be your friend in this practice.
Thank you, Mia. You know, sometimes the best conversations start with the simplest things we all share. The sky above us, the air around us. So today, we're not going to learn 10 grammar rules. We're going to practice one friendly, useful thing. How to talk about the weather.
The weather. I see. Yes. It is something everyone, everywhere has. You can talk about it with your neighbor, with a shopkeeper, or with a new friend. It is a safe, kind way to start speaking.
It is. It's a bridge. A small, gentle bridge between silence and a conversation. So, to our listeners, thank you for being here. If you're listening while cooking or resting or commuting, that is perfect. Just let the words wash over you. There is no pressure here, only practice. If you enjoy this peaceful way of learning, you can subscribe to our channel, Speaker of English. It helps us to know you're here. And if you have a friend who is also shy to speak, maybe you can share this with them. But please, do this only if you want to. No stress.
No stress at all. So, the weather. Daniel, I remember when I first moved here. In my first week, I met my neighbor. I wanted to say something, but I was so nervous. Then I looked up. The sky was a perfect blue.
What did you say?
I took a small breath and said, it is sunny. That's all. Just, it is sunny.
And your neighbor?
She smiled a big smile and said, yes, it is a beautiful sunny day. And then we started a little conversation. It was not perfect, but it was friendly. It was a start.
That is a wonderful story. It is sunny. That small sentence opened a door. This is the power we are talking about today. Not complicated power, simple, friendly power. So, our main tool for today is that very sentence. It is your word today, or it is your word now. This is our key.
Okay, so the structure is always it is, then we add our weather word.
Yes, always. It's like a comfortable jacket. You put on the jacket, it is, and then you choose the color, the weather word. Let's try. Mia, can you look outside your window right now? Really look. Tell me, what do you see?
I see many gray clouds, but there is a little light behind them. It is not raining, so I think it is cloudy today.
It is cloudy today. I nod slowly. Perfect. Clear and correct. Now let's change the day in our imagination. Imagine yesterday. For me, yesterday there was a lot of wind. The trees were dancing. How would you say that?
For yesterday, it was windy yesterday.
Ah, very good. You changed is to was for the past. That is excellent. But for today, for right now, we stay with it is. So for your windy day, if it was happening now, you would say,
it is windy today.
Perfect. Let's build our collection of colors for our jacket. We have cloudy. We have windy. What is the opposite of cloudy?
Sunny, when the sun is strong.
Yes, it is sunny today. And if water is falling from the sky?
Rainy, it is rainy today. Or, like you said before, it is raining today. Which one is better?
Both are correct. They're like brothers. Rainy describes the day. Raining describes the action right now. You can use either. That's very common. Now, how does the air feel on your skin if it makes you want a sweater?
Cold. It is cold today.
And if it makes you want an ice cream?
Hot. It is hot today.
Good. And between hot and cold, a very pleasant feeling?
Warm or cool. It is warm today. It is cool today.
Beautiful. And a word for a day that just feels good? A general happy word.
Nice. It is nice today.
Wonderful. So now we have a palette. Sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, hot, cold, warm, cool. With these, you can describe almost any day. Now it is time to bring our listener into our circle. Hello, listener. We are thinking of you. Where are you in the world right now? Close your eyes for just 3 seconds. Think about your weather. Feel it. Is the sun on your skin through a window? Do you hear rain? Do you feel a breeze? Now, in your mind, I want you to try. No one can hear you. This is your safe space. Try to say your sentence. Use our jacket. It is.
You can say it slowly. It is sunny today. Or it is rainy now. There's no hurry. The words are yours. Try them.
Maybe your weather is special. Maybe it is foggy. It is foggy today. That is a good word. Maybe it is snowing. It is snowing today. Or it is snowing. Both are beautiful.
What if I want to say how I feel about the weather, not just describe it?
Ah, a great question. Then you can add one more small piece. You can say, it is a beautiful day, or it is a terrible day, but maybe terrible is not so friendly for a first conversation. Better to say, it is not a nice day today. Or you can say how it makes you feel. I love this sunny weather. Or, this rain makes me feel calm.
Oh, I like that. This rain makes me feel calm. That is more personal. It is more me.
Exactly. It moves from observation to feeling. That is where real connection lives. So, listener, you can try that too. First, the simple fact. It is cloudy. Then, maybe you're feeling. I like cloudy days. Just a thought, no pressure.
Daniel, can I tell a short story using our weather words?
Please, yes.
Okay. Last weekend, I wanted to have a picnic. In the morning, it was sunny and warm. I was very happy. I made sandwiches, but then, in the afternoon, it became very cloudy. Then it became windy. And then, yes, it started. It was rainy. So, no picnic. I ate my sandwiches at home. I watched the rainy day from my window. It was still a nice day, but in a different way.
That is a perfect little story. You used our words so naturally. Sunny, warm, cloudy, windy, rainy, nice. This is how we learn. We take our small tool and we build our own story, our own memory.
Thank you. So for our listener, can you think of a small story, maybe about yesterday, just in your mind? Use the words. Yesterday, it was...
Let's do a gentle review together. Our main sentence is, it is blank today. We use it to talk about the weather right now. Some words we can use, sunny, cloudy, windy, rainy, hot, cold, warm, cool, nice. You can also say, it is raining or it is snowing. And you can add a feeling. It is a beautiful day. Or, I like this weather.
I will repeat them with you. It is sunny today. It is cloudy today. It is windy today. It is rainy today. It feels good to say them.
It does. Now for your simple practice challenge this week. I want you to do this one time, just once. Sometime today or tomorrow, when you are alone, say one full sentence about the weather out loud. To your cat, to your mirror, to your coffee cup. For example, look out the window and say, "Hello, it is a cloudy afternoon." Or, if you are feeling brave, you can write your sentence in the comments below. Just one sentence. We will read every one. We will be so happy to see your weather.
Yes, please write sunny or rainy or cold for us. We want to know about your sky.
Remember, the goal is not perfection. The goal is connection. Connection with the language, and maybe, one day, connection with another person. Talking about the weather is not a small topic. It's a way to say, I see you. We share this world, this sky, this moment.
That is beautiful, Daniel. Thank you, everyone, for sharing this calm moment with us, for practicing quietly with us. You are doing something very good for yourself. Be proud.
Yes, be proud and be kind to yourself. So, from both of us, thank you. My name is Daniel.
And my name is Mia.
We are sending you calm and confidence from our Speaker of English family. Until next time, practice gently. Speak kindly to yourself. Goodbye.
Goodbye, friends.